Hi, my name is Tiffany Sizemore, and I'm running for the Court of Common Pleas here in Allegheny County. My position on cash bail is that we should abolish cash bail in Pennsylvania. It hasn't lived up to the promise of what it said it will do, and instead it's been a tax on the poor. By eliminating cash bail, we can go a long way towards eliminating mass incarceration and to reducing racial and ethnic disparities in our criminal legal system. There are conditions and combinations of conditions that we can put forward that will ensure the safety of the community, whether it's the community overall or a specific alleged victim pre-trial, that will eliminate the use of money, but will ensure that everyone's needs can be met in the system. I don't believe that there's a reason to use cash bail to do that. And I am one of, if not the only candidate in the race who has practiced in a jurisdiction without cash bail, Washington, D.C., where I practiced for 8 years. So I have a strong idea in my head of some conditions that we could set around which people would be released from jail pre-trial. It doesn't mean that everyone would have the opportunity to be released pre-trial, but it would significantly reduce our jail population, reduce the amount of money taxpayers are paying to incarcerate people pre-trial, honor our constitutional right to innocent until proven guilty, the presumption of innocence, and it would also reduce racial and ethnic disparities. So I support the elimination of cash bail. With regard to the use of diversionary courts and other restorative practice programs, I strongly support them. My change that I would make to our current diversionary court practices is that I would hope that we could change our diversionary court programming to really allow people to not have to plead guilty prior to entering these courts. My hope is that we could create a pretrial diversionary court system that really allows people to engage with services, but without the toll of a conviction on their record, especially because in Pennsylvania, there are only a small number of offenses for which record sealing is even a possibility. So when you weigh those two systems, I think that it mitigates in favor of having pretrial diversionary courts. I strongly support restorative practices at all levels of the system, not just for low-level offenses, not just for minor offenses, but even for very serious offenses. I think that victim-offender dialogue, mediation, and other healing work with the support of professionals can be incredibly helpful even at the highest level of cases that we see in our system. So I hope that this helps you get to understand me a little bit as a candidate. Thank you.